Hey guys, it's Paul at the Garage. Quick video on how to reset your maintenance light. Maybe you did your own oil change, spark plugs, brake fluid flush, etc., or you took it somewhere that didn't know how to reset it for you. It's a very simple process. Hopefully we can save you a dealership visit or a service visit with us. Here we go. First, we want to climb into the car and close the driver's door. Now we'll go ahead and turn the key on, but leave the engine off. And you see there it says service is due, service is overdue by 900 miles. Now to reset the light, we're going to be using this button on the instrument cluster, the same button that you use when you reset the trip odometer and fill your gas tank. So I'm going to press and hold for 3 seconds. Then I'll release, press and hold for 3 seconds again, release, press and hold again, and there you go, we're reset. It's as simple as that. So this is the procedure for most BMWs 2012 and newer, but depending on what you have, it may be slightly different. If you're sitting in your car, please feel free to give us a call. We're glad to walk you through it. Like I said, very simple. So thanks for watching.